Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video on Digital Marketpreneur. And in this video we're going to talk about how to make money on Clickbank the ethical way. And I saw another video and this completely blew my mind and I had to share it on mine. I want to give props to Builderpreneur. He showed this on this video. I'm pretty sure somebody has done other videos like that. This is the first time I ever saw it. Let's go into my computer, guys. I want to show you something with Clickbank. Okay, now look into my account. Oh, great. I have a $50 sale and I had yesterday a $30 sale. Or I don't. So this is what I saw. If you left click on it and you go all the way down to inspect, then you see this right here. This says numerical, right? You double click on that, you backspace, and let's say we're gonna put something like 100. Bam! Guess what? We got $100 right there. Oh, but if I do this and I click inspect, and then I go into right here on this number and I double click and I say 39, enter. Obviously between a 50 and 100, that's not believable. But what you need to understand is like there's a way to do this, and it's unethical if you want to teach people how to make money online, and it completely blew me away. So we go right here. Okay, so now you see these numbers. We're gonna go and clear that out. Oh, they're magically gone. So ladies and gentlemen, so now as you can see, be ethical with what you do online, guys. This is something that you learn, but just be careful. Be ethical with what you do online. Okay, now we're gonna go to my account. As you can see, I have 0 sales because I really haven't promoted any products. I did show you that I was promoting some stuff and I completely stopped. But if you want to make money on Clickbank, the first thing you need to do, and I'm gonna X that out, is go to the marketplace. Now you need to find products that are actually making sales, and you gotta realize there's gonna be a lot of competition. But I'm gonna show you something that just blew my mind, and I'm just completely in awe why people are not doing this more. Now we gotta go into one of the niches that a lot of people are like, into it, which is the weight loss niche. And if you go here, you gotta enter gravity. Okay, you wanna know gravity. That means how many actual affiliates are making money with those products. Okay, and here one's a high conversion, 137, 53, 28, and you say gravity 209, gravity 310, 549 gravity. So it's a very competitive niche. Okay, you need to understand that, and that's why you gotta look at other niches. Let's go into another one like green products, and we're gonna go general. There's nothing in there. Alternative energy, and as you can see, 9.8 gravity for a 6944 conversion rate. Portable solar energy system. So if you're someone that knows anything about solar energy or green energy and you want to make your YouTube channel about that, then you guys can actually go and promote. It says hot new offer, backyard revolution, 44.3 gravity. So as you can see, there's people making money of some of these products. Always check gravity. Okay, so now you know that, and we're not gonna go into detail on how to sign up. It's pretty self-explanatory, and there's certain countries that are not allowed to open a Clickbank account, so just be aware of that. But one of the ways is, once you get these products, you gotta click on promote, and this is gonna generate your hop link. This is the link you guys are gonna use, and as you guys can shorten that link because that link looks pretty ugly. So you gotta go places like Bitly, could be one of those places, and we're gonna click on this account. So as you can see, I changed it to bit.ly online marketpreneur. So we'll give it, a better look instead of like just a bunch of random numbers. And this is a free account that you guys can open in bit.ly.com. So as you can see, it's right here, online marketpreneur. At least it has your name on it, and it looks better than just a regular or just those regular links that they give you. Then you can take that link and save it, and you can take a place like TikTok. Now I enter weight loss or lose weight because like I showed you at the very beginning, we were in the marketplace looking for keto and the weight loss products that they have that's kind of competitive. I noticed something that on TikTok, if you see this account right here, I'm gonna click on this. If you have over 1,000 subscribers, and that's my understanding, don't quote me on it because I'm not a TikTok person. I don't have a TikTok account. I might jump into it, but right now my main point is grow my YouTube channel, and once I have it to a certain point, I will grow my TikTok or maybe jump on TikTok. So here is a link that you get one, so you guys can use an affiliate link like bit.ly. Okay, that will be the quickest way for you guys to start earning money. Okay, now I went back and I started looking at these other accounts. Now you notice this blue thing right here that tells you there's a link on those accounts. I opened this one, which has over 2,000 subscribers, over 20,000 likes on it, 2,000 followers. There's no links. See, there's no links right there, and her videos have over 10,000 views, 22,000 views, 29,000 views. So this person's probably just doing it because they want to show they're losing weight and all the stuff that they're doing. But if they put an affiliate link right here, they could be potentially making tons and tons of money on commissions. And it's something that I want you guys not to think on the possibilities that, oh my god, this is saturated, it's saturated. You know what? Look at all these people that are over there and they don't have an affiliate link. This one is an affiliate link. But there's so many people in here and they're not thinking about it. It's right here. Click the link below for lose weight fast. And they only have 1,370 followers. Right? You don't need to have millions of followers to make money on TikTok and make money off Clickbank the ethical way. Okay, now the point of me bringing this up to you also is that instead of doing this, which is the way everybody teaches you, is you go and create a landing page like this one, and you give something away for free. You still send them from this page, which is a landing page, up to that affiliate link, which I created a video how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing and how to create a lead magnet. So you guys can go watch those videos. There's gonna be links in the description so you guys can go take a look at them and understand how you guys can do this. So you have to find on Clickbank what's the actual niche that you guys want to get in. Maybe you're interested in betting or arts and entertainment. A lot of problems with the products on Clickbank are that there's a lot of products that suck, to be honest with you. That's why I stay away from Clickbank products. But if you guys want to do that, there's a lot of good products right there. So you have to find your niche and find the product. Check the product yourself. I will give you that piece of advice to actually do check the product yourself, so you guys can actually understand it and know if it's a good product for your customer and a good product for you. Because the biggest issue is gonna be if the product sucks and they ask for a refund, which is part of affiliate marketing, and it will happen no matter what product it is. You are gonna lose money. Not only you gonna lose money, but you are gonna lose that connection with the people, and they're not gonna want to buy from you anymore because you're doing unethical, and you're faking how much money you're making on Clickbank for once, and two, you're promoting products that really suck. So on this channel, guys, I really don't promote any Clickbank products. I kind of like started with that, but I want to promote products that I believe in, and I want you to do the same. ClickFunnels, that's what I'm wearing my shirt. It's one of my go-to all the time. Even the books are absolutely amazing. You guys want to know how to do traffic, you know, there's the Traffic Secrets book. Highly recommend it, guys. It's gonna be a link in the description if you guys are interested in it. But also, as I said, I give props to Spencer Mecham. And we gotta go. You see this video right here? This is the video that I saw where he shows this trick. So be ethical in what you do. And now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I will never ever put that on my channel to get rich, fast. And you gotta make $100 if you start something like TikTok tomorrow. Although from what I heard, it doesn't take long to go viral on TikTok if you know the systems how to create those videos and put them on TikTok and eventually get commissions out of it. So if you guys like this video and you actually were shocked about it, just like I was, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos. And I will see you. And leave me comments in the comment section if you guys were like, whoa, what happened right there. So hit that button, that's it. So with that being said, guys, I will see you in the next